I'm kind of stalled. I'm in the Pine, and through a couple of different events or whatever, I ended up having to order a new converter, which is down here, this thing, this bottom part. I'm not going to go into the details of it, but long story short, I need a new converter. So I ordered it yesterday, and when I talked to the guy on the phone about it, he said, oh, it should be there 3, maybe 4 days. The shipping tracking number says it won't be here until a week from today, and today's Wednesday. So, in the meantime, I am doing a few things to the RV. Working on putting it. Remember a while back, a couple videos back, I showed you some window stuff that kind of blocked the view if I had my drapes open. So I'm putting that stuff up now. And here's one window that's done. You can kind of see it. I'm not going to do the top one because I still want to be able to see out. But there's that one. And then I got the bathroom one done too. I don't know how well you can see that with this. But anyway. Just kind of blurs it a little bit and gives it a little bit of a rainbow color here and there. So that's what I'm doing. Ordered this stuff from Amazon. And I didn't think I brought it with me, but I did. So is there really ice in it? Really? I'm not hiking.
Well, first you got to get down that frickin' hole.
I'm too old to hike.
I'll grab my chair and set up on top and watch.
I love the description of the place.
What's that?
Well, they got the little thing up there, but there's not a description of anything about it.
Yeah, you. There's a little birdie right here. You see this birdie on the rock? Oh, it's got to probably get over.
Oh, there he goes. Little guy. Woodpecker?
No.
There's one of your friends down there, little chipmunks. So where's the ice? Whoop.
You got to get in there and go back quite a ways.
Oh, that's not going to happen.
Yeah.
How come there's ice down there? I don't get it.
There's ice caves all over.
But what's the point?
You mean what's
Why are there ice caves here?
I don't know why there's ice in them, but they were.
If you're going to be the tour guide.
Well, I don't know, probably because the ground's cold in there. But they didn't use this one. There's one right outside the bend that they hired teams of mules and buckboards, and they would go out and get the ice and wrap it up with this cotton stuff to keep it, so to make it back to town. They cut huge chunks out of that ice cave, and that was all the ice for Bend, Oregon for many, many years.
Wow.
But I guess they had a couple of crews, one to take off early in the morning, the other one to take off at noon, and they would go out to the ice cave and chip the ice out by hand in these huge blocks. I don't know how they got them out. But they finally got to the point where they were back hundreds of feet to get the ice.
Yeah.
And then refrigerators came along and da-da-da. Now you go out to the cave, you can't even get in it because the ice is coming out of the cave. It's the strangest thing, yeah.
And is all underneath us here have these rocks?
Yeah.
Or is it just in this area?
No,
They're under?
no. It's all under the ground. Everywhere there's this kind of rock, this lava rock. It's just depending on how much dirt's on top of it.
Yeah.
But the higher
That's
spots
weird.
where the rocks are at, you will see that the dirt's down low and the wind and everything, but eventually it'll probably fill in. I'd like to be the first guy to discover this. What the hell? It's a cave. Let's go explore it. See if there's a bear in there.
Okay. So there's some now that have the ice coming out, or?
Yeah, there is outside the bend. The road that we're going to hit right up here is called China Hat Road.
Mm-hmm.
And it goes from way south, goes all the way up over the mountain here, and goes down and shows up east of Bend. And it used to be the old railroad tracks, because they did mining and stuff up here.
Huh.
So the train went up over the top here,
What kind of trees are these?
on the road.
Yeah.
Yeah, we still have ponderosas around here that they say are like 30 feet around or something.
That's big.
That's big.
It's almost as big around as me.
Yeah, there's some old growth up west of La Pine there, but you got to get out quite a ways to it. There, I heard it click. Want water?
Yeah. No evidence found to support the fact that this